Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy M34, and I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. Firstly, you need to open the control panel and here disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you don't need mobile data, disable it. Disable Wi-Fi if you don't need it right now, disable Bluetooth. Check your mobile hotspot. Mobile hotspot consuming a lot of battery power. Of course, disable newbie share, and that's it. Then the next step is to open the settings, scroll down and find here battery and device care. Open this menu and click battery. In battery, click battery saving. In battery saving mode, of course, your smartphone will live longer, but you can click on power saving mode and here check limit, apps and home screen. Go back and now open the power saving mode. In this mode, you will be able to use only 4 standard applications and 4 installed applications. Yes, it's limiting and it's creating the brick from your device, but of course it will improve your battery life. And if you have, for example, 100% and you need to travel long and you need to have your phone only like a phone to calls and messages, so it's a very good idea, because in this mode your smartphone will live several days. To exit this mode, just click on the 3 dots button on the right corner and click turn off power saving mode. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.